IslaBella's Playtime! Rainbocorns Eggzania Surprise Mania!
Alright, you girls ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take turns.
Open the big one.
So when we pick these up, it'll say small or medium. The big one you guys are going to open together, okay?
Small!
Okay, so you get to open one of the small ones, okay, Isla? Alright. Ooh, what's in there?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Wow.
those are pretty cool beads.
Here, I'll put it right here. I'll put it right
Alright, look at those.
here. The pink one.
Alright. Bella's picking a pink one to open up.
Okay.
Ooh, what is it?
Look it.
I see.
That goes with the ring.
Alright.
That's so
Put it
cool.
on my finger.
Ooh, I'll put it into here.
Okay. Medium. Alright, so you open this one or this one?
I want that one.
You want that one, Isla? Open
Kitty
up
corn
that
surprise!
one. Surprise! Oh. Oh my goodness.
Wow, that's so cool!
Ooh, we got stickers.
She got a little walker egg.
Look at all our stickers. Oh, that's so cool. Aww. That's so sweet. Your compound. What is this?
Can I look it?
Looks like it's goop. What else is in there? What's that?
It's the boo-boo corn.
What else we got?
That's corn. That's the boo-boo corn.
It's a little doggy. Or a little kitten. Or a kitten. Let's see.
Hey, no, medium!
You did. You got a medium. Yep. Camera, show me. Let me see it.
A boo-boo corn
Ooh,
too.
yeah, wait.
Under the sticker is this.
Oh, it's a taco. Let me see.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
All right. Let me see the rest of the stuff. What else is in there?
Oh, I got the peanuts. I got the peanuts. So cute.
Oh, let me see the stickers.
Hmm?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look what a surprise. Little puppy.
Wait.
Let me see. Turn her around. Alright, so Isla wants to open the purple one.
That was just how.
There it is. Open it up.
Look good. Look mine.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow.
Oh, your lion unicorn. That's so cool. Oh, you're silly.
Silly Bella!
Alright, let's see it. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna try it. Boom.
Let's see what you got. So we're gonna put them all together at the end.
Hey, there's something
There it
else.
is.
Look at.
Big one's turn, right?
Hey, big boy. Now.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Hey, can I take this sticker out?
What else is in there, Ray? Ooh, the eggy.
Look, it has a sticker. Look it.
Oh, that's what it's got on it. Finally, that's what it is.
Wow. Look at this.
What else we got? Oh, there's more stickers. Oh, so the string is for the beads. See? So the string that we got in there so we can put the beads. Make some a bracelet out of it. This one is a stamp. Okay. So that's what this is. This is a stamp.
Wow, look at all this amazing stuff that comes in the Rainbocorns. Now it's time to play.
I could slime.
Yeah, wait. Is that gooey, Isla? Oh my goodness. What's that? Oh. Your turn, Isla? Oh, gooey.
The slime is so slimy.
So slimy. Was that so much fun? It feels yucky, My goodness, guys, look at that. It's a slime eggy. Ew. Ah.
Look at Lala. Ew, that's leaky. This is leaky.
You got pink slime too, Isabella?
Where's mixed up?
That's a nasty eggy one, huh?
Yeah, look it. I got a piece of it.
I got it all on, huh?
It was so much fun playing with the Rainbocorns. Subscribe and press the thumbs up button for more fun with IslaBella's Playtime.